Universal taste. Today I will go over why everyone can describe taste universally. I will try to explain how taste works and why we can taste food. Then I will share some short history on taste and I'm going to form a conclusion on taste. The six major tastes that most people recognize are sweet, bitter, sour, salty, fatty, and umami, tastes like meat or chicken. So I'm going to show some examples of each. So horseradish is bitter, and for salt I have salt. For fatty I have virgin oil. For sour I have lemon juice. And to show you sweet I have blueberries. The reason we can taste things are little bumps on our tongues called papilla, also commonly called taste buds. Everyone has a different amount of taste buds and different structures of tongues, making them taste things differently. Why can we explain taste even when people have different taste buds and perceive flavors differently? Despite this, we still communicate the taste of different foods such as bitterness, saltiness, and fattiness. The reason why we can explain taste like this is because of how our brains process taste information. How do our brains process taste information? The brain stores taste in different areas with different tastes. Research was done by Dr. Charles Zucker. He found and identified different taste receptors in the tongue for different tastes, like sweet, sour, bitter, umami, and salt. The taste receptors send information to the brain's taste cortex. They tested the mice by activating areas within these taste areas of the mice brain. The mice drank water after the scientists activated certain areas of the mice brain. Some mice gagged at the water, acting as if it was bitter. Other mice drank more water. The scientists found out which areas of the brain stored which taste by doing this test. And on the right, you'll see the mice brain. The red shows bitter, and the green shows sweet. Some history on taste is early hominids sought food within tropical forests. They ate mostly fruit and leaves and later on expanded to savannas. They risked not getting any nutrition or ingesting poisonous toxins. Survival was hard, however, taste has been an important part of human history, helping us to obtain safe and nutritious food in the past. Bitter taste. Why can most people taste bitter food? It's because most toxins are bitter, or toxins trigger a response to prevent you from ingesting them and make you puke it out. We have probably evolved to taste bitter things as a way of preventing us from eating toxins. However, when paired with something else like sugar, the taste of bitterness can be mildly tolerable and has been used with things like chocolate, coffee, and wine. Other factors that go into your taste are social, economical, and smell. Social and economical influences on taste. Your taste is affected by your culture, gender, how much money you make, and where you are in the world. The people around us introduce us to different foods. This can either be cultural food or stuff that they prefer. Economical Economics plays a big role in most people's taste. The foods you eat all have a price tag on them. Depending on what society you live in, certain foods might be more acceptable. Certain foods are banned in certain countries. Different areas produce different types of foods. Farming is also different around different areas. Imagine being in your kitchen. You smell scent of cookies. You look in the oven to see cookies. It's almost as if you can taste the cookies, even though you're not actually eating them. We can be fooled with odors or how things smell. The smell of sweeteners can make certain foods taste sweeter, even if there is no sweetener in it. This is not limited to sweeteners, but also the smell of many other types of foods or things. My conclusion is that we all have taste. Even though taste is universally described the same way, I believe on an individual level, taste is very complicated, and everyone has their own specific taste. The end.